Are you looking for the top 5 best computerized telescopes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best computerized telescopes. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. First of all, SkyWatcher S11820 features aperture 305mm, focal length and ratio 1500mm, f4.9, eyepiece plus 10mm, 20mm, mount, motorized, alt-azimuth, weight 46.2 pounds, warranty 2-year limited, more features, Newtonian reflector, SynScan hand controller with 42,000 object database. The SkyWatcher S11820 is a high-performance, classy, and portable computerized telescope. Transporting this high-end telescope is relatively easy, and this is because its 12 telescope's optical tube can be collapsed down. Another impressive thing about this telescope is its large 12-mirror delve that can bring thousands of miles right to your fingertips. This means that you will be able to see objects from Jupiter, Saturn, and Mars to nebulae, star clusters, and galaxies millions of light-years away. The convenience offered by this computerized telescope is next to none, with to a specific object at the touch of a button. The user-friendly interface of the SkyWatcher S11820 makes it a perfect fit for pro and greenhorn astronomers or stargazers. Since it is easy to use, inexperienced astronomers can easily master its features after a couple of observing sessions. Unlike other computerized telescopes that can only be controlled automatically, the SkyWatcher S11820 has a specially patented dual encoder that allows the telescope to be operated or moved manually. No doubt, the SkyWatcher S11820 is a high-end and impressive computerized telescope, but it has a few downsides. For starters, it has poor customer support. Also, clear instructions on how to focus the lens of the telescope are not available. Some users also complain that it is fragile and must be handled with extreme care. What makes it stand out? Impressive features: lightweight, easy to use, it can be operated manually, which Number 2. Celestron NexStar 8 SE. Aperture 203mm, focal length and ratio 20-32mm, f10.0, eyepiece, Elux 81x 25mm, mount, single fork arm alt-azimuth mount, weight 33 pounds, warranty 2-year limited, more features, accessory kit included, computerized with 40,000 accessible objects, 354x maximum magnification, steel tripod. The Celestron NexStar 8 is a top-notch computerized telescope with posh and luxurious design. With the impressive scope of this telescope, you will be able to see any celestial body clearly. The scope can be used by amateurs and professionals alike. Stargazing enthusiasts are definitely going to be impressed by the classic orange Celestron optical tube that comes with this excellent computerized telescope. One notable feature about the Celestron NexStar 8 is its 8-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope that comes with a 40,000-plus database of celestials. With this telescope, you will be able to see stars millions of miles away at the touch of a button. All you need to use this computerized telescope is to input your data, date, location, and time, and you will be ready for an awesome adventure in the world of planets, galaxies, and stars. The Celestron NexStar 8, as well as its accessories, comes with a 48.5 pounds box. An interesting thing about this high-end telescope is that you don't need to be tech-savvy or have any superior technical skill to put it together. In fact, a newbie astronomer can mount the piece and make it ready for use within minutes. The reason why it is so easy to mount it is that no bolt and screws are required to put it together. Truth be told, this is a luxurious and high-performance computerized telescope, but it has a couple of issues. First, its lenses have a very short eye relief distance. This means that you have to press your eyeball against the device to get a clear focus. Also, you may need to buy additional accessories to get the most out of it. Lastly, it is large and takes a lot of space. Features: it is super easy to mount, excellent software, it comes with a durable tripod. What could be better? Short eye relief distance. You may have to spend extra money on accessories. It takes a lot of space. Number 3. Celestron NexStar 130 SLT. Aperture 130mm, focal length and ratio 650mm, f5, eyepiece plus 32mm, mount, motorized alt-azimuth, weight 18 pounds, warranty 2-year limited, more features, finder scope star pointer, 307 max magnification, computerized hand control with 4,000 plus object database. The Celestron NexStar 130 SLT is a lightweight, budget-friendly, and efficient computerized telescope that is super easy to set up and use. The well-polished first-grade aluminized glass mirror that comes with this top-notch device is surely going to leave a smile on your face. The device also features a secondary mirror that can be positioned to reflect photons through the high-powered eyepiece of the device. Surprisingly, the Celestron NexStar 130 SLT comes with two eyepieces. The first one, which is about 25mm and fitted with a lunar 9mm, is great for exploring the planets. The good thing about these eyepieces is that they are durable and can last for generations. With this lightweight telescope, you will be able to see around 4,000 objects, stars, nebulae, clusters, and planets. Many have described the Celestron NexStar 130 SLT as a masterpiece because of its impressive aperture, star pointer, 307 max magnification, and focal length. Whether you are new to astronomy or you are an avid stargazer, you are going to love this telescope. Of course, the Celestron NexStar 130 SLT is an efficient and budget-friendly telescope, but it has a few issues. For starters, it uses up batteries quickly. Also, its time and date need to be set after each use. What are our favorite features? Lightweight, deep view, wide field of view, easy to use. What could be better? The motor of the device uses batteries pretty quickly. Number 4. Meade Instruments ETX 125. Aperture, 127mm. Focal length and ratio, 1900mm, f15. Eyepiece, Plossl, 9.7mm. 26mm. Mount, fork mount with DC servo motors. Weight, 25 pounds. Warranty, 1 year limited. More features: audio star controller with 30,000 objects database. Steel tripod, 90-degree diagonal, internal flip mirror system. The Meade Instruments ETX 125 is an excellent computerized telescope that can be used for a wide range of astronomical observation and study. With it, you will be able to see the cloud belts of Jupiter at the touch of a button. Since it is automatic, you won't have to spend countless hours looking for an object manually, as it is computerized and automatic. The enhanced lighting capabilities and the portability of this model make it a perfect fit for beginner and professional astronomers. Unlike the many models of computerized telescope that it set up, the Meade Instruments ETX 125 is easy to set up and use. The modern design of the Meade Instruments ETX 125 is certainly going to impress you. Talking about durability, the Meade Instruments ETX 125 was made from a premium quality aluminium and first-grade plastic that is certainly going to last for a very long time. The motor of this impressive telescope is cordless and can be powered with batteries that can last for 50 hours. One amazing thing about this telescope is its dual-axis mounting that can be effortlessly controlled by an electronic remote. The Meade Instruments ETX 125 also comes with automatic tracking software that can track astronomical objects with ease. Keep in mind that the software can function in any part of the world through its equatorial operation or altazimuth. While the Meade Instruments ETX 125 is an excellent telescope, it has a few downsides. First, the auto computer controller doesn't come with it, so you are going to have to buy it separately. Pricey, especially when compared to models from other brands similar to it. Lastly, it can only be powered with batteries. What are our favorite features? It is easy to use, it is portable, it comes with an advanced remote control, impressive optics and resolution. What could be better? You may have to purchase the auto computer controller separately, as it doesn't come with it. It is pricey. It can only be powered with battery. Number 5. Orion 10135 SkyQuest XT 10 grams. Aperture, 254mm. Focal length and ratio, 1200mm, f4.7. Eyepiece, deep view 28.0mm. Mount, Dipsonian. Weight, 67 pounds. Warranty, 1 year limited. More features: 300x max magnification, 42,000 plus objects database, wooden tripod. Orion, the creator of this powerful, durable, and high-performance computerized telescope, is a leader in the telescope-making industry. Over the years, it has made a lot of impressive telescopes that has been lauded by many astronomers and stargazing enthusiasts. The Orion 10135 SkyQuest XT 10 grams has made a name for itself because of its superior performance, sleek design, and impressive features. The 4.7 focal ratio and the 10 aperture and of Orion 10135 is a good indication that it can computerized guiding and can be used to quickly track celestial bodies. When it comes to performance, the Orion 10135 SkyQuest XT 10 grams is not going to disappoint you. With its computerized go-to-Dobsonian telescope, you will be able to see the moon like it is right in front of you. Also, you will get a very sharp image of the planets, the solar systems, and formations that are likely going to blow your mind. It is worth mentioning that this high-performance computerized telescope comes with some 42,000 objects in its database. With it, you will have a great time keeping track of the different celestial bodies without stressing yourself out. Granted, the Orion 10135 SkyQuest XT 10 grams is a remarkable computerized telescope, but it has one downside, and that is its go-to-Dobsonian telescope doesn't come with a 12V power supply that is needed to operate it. This means that you will have to spend extra cash to buy it separately. What are our favorite features? It is lightweight, 42,000 celestial object database, comprehensive power supply accessories. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description.